Hello. Hello. Wow, laki ng fish. Ano tawag yan?
Yung kulay itim, arapaima. Tapos ito,
Arwana.
arwana. Lumalaki pa ng gusto yun. Angel fish. Sige, ito mo na rin.
Mga bata.
Kasama kayong mga magkakapatid.
The reef. Meron dun sa baba. Mamaya tayo dun. Ito muna tayo.
Ano yan? Ayun, babe.
Wala pala dito. Wala pala dito. Tara, baba tayo. Wala. Wala naman dito. Ay, ito ang laki, mama. Ayun.
Tulog.
Ang laki.
Tulog. Si Lulong. Si Lulong.
Lulong?
Si Lulong.
Lulong o si Lulong?
Lulong.
Ayan, ang mga ano. Ba doon? Makain.
Okay. Dito. Catfish. Dito. Okay. I'll make a sound of coffee.
No climb na. Baby shark. Ang tawag dyan, leopard shark. Leopard.
Seahorse. Dito?
Ayun na.
Ano yan?
Yung may pakpak.
Ayan na yung malaking aquarium. Ayun o. Ayun na yung malaking aquarium. Hiniwalay-hiwalay lang. Dati kasi isang... Masarap yung sinigang yan. Ano ba yan? Wow. Sino?
Ano kita sa isda. Harap ka
Dali.
dito.
Yan. Video na lang. Nagagi. Dito ako nagkakaakot. Ang tagal-tagal na. Sige lang, kumata. Wala daw, pang ano lang. Effect.
Ayan na naman. Dito sa
Siya pa pala. May laman. Awak ka, bilis.
Dali, malambot lang oh, yun oh, lambot lang oh.
Hindi oh. Lambot oh. Balik. Ayaw talaga.
Lambot lang. Oh, yun lambot. Hi, baby.
Parang halong din din. Tatanggal naman oh.
Look. Ay, si Bingbing. Ay.
Terus turun.
Si Mogi.
Sunshine! Burmese python is one of the largest snakes in the world, weighing up to 6 meters in length and can weigh almost about 200 pounds. Sorry mom, I almost forgot you. Are you afraid of snakes? Okay, as I was saying earlier, Sunshine is very friendly and very thanks a lot for our skilled friends up close and learning more about their fascinating lives. Thank you again for being part of our reptile showcase, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day! Lutan Kakatu, scientific name is Kakatuwa bonacensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and German jelly. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bridge Show with Trainer Michelle. So here's some of our president Kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatuwa galarita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed in seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambut jack. If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Russell. Come on, Russell, you can do it. Find a hidden object for us. And he found it. A round of applause for Russell with Trainer Birds. Our partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest, in relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of Linwin Mako. And today, they will battle out to see who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! Sassy! How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky! 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 Alright, girls ready? Trainers ready? Set! Go! Here's Sassy first ball, followed by Rocky. Oh, it's a time! And for the last ball! Rocky! Trainer Eagle, you lose this time. What can you say about that? Hold it, we want another race. She wants another race, Trainer Young.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will beat.
So what race you have in mind?
I'm time thinking about the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So, the ring race is shall be. Remember guys, that boys already 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's from the first ring. Oh, look at that. What's happening? Sassy being up the race at the same time. How brave is that? And the winner is Sassy. Winner now, what happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated. A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with trainer Myung and trainer April. Of the Baron family. That is because they are the second largest next to the rest of the boss. They can grow to. Come on, Sassy. 92 centimeter in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Anaclorpera. They usually feed in seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. And for the lunch shade, and there you go, it's all just right. A round of applause for Sassy with trainer April. Go boys, full state vision for us. And he gets the first number correct. How about the second number? Well, Rock loves numbers. Okay, he's calculating. I think he knows the answer. And he gets to number 5. So 21 plus 10 equals to 35. A round of applause for Rocky with trainer Jerry. This time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. So sir, do you know what will happen next? Any idea? Now let's see. Now let's go into our body word. Body. Body flies over. Oh, he gets the money and flies back. And I think body will donate the money. A round of applause for Connor. Sir Louie. Do you know that, sir? Well, now you know. Your money will go down the way and we are very grateful. Thanks so much. Nice! One more! How about on your hand? Please open your palm. Look at the camera and smile. Alright, here's your money. A round of applause for an to volunteer. To pray around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, and including here in Philippines. And here's that shadow. They locally known as Lawin or Banog in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeon. Homing pigeons is an innate homing ability. They are generators, nest and mate. A round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that we only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the trios? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's our lovely ways to show us the proper waste disposal. Let's go, buddies.
Daming birds.
Very good. Easy, right? If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how the small efforts, let's take action saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the personal trainers that make this show possible. Trainer Myung with Body. Trainer Albert with Rocky. Trainer First with Shadow. Trainer Jared with Speed.
Mami nga email na mukha mo. Oo nga, parang nag-allergy siya. Allergy ata yan.
Check up ko na yan eh.
Oo.
Nagbigay na kami para sa mami.
May pinapahit. Ayan, may pinapahit.
Give it up for our Sea Lion friends. Here we go! Hello everyone! Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer First and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. Wow, confident. Her name is Yenny. Together with trainer Albert, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Derek, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feathers for in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term finiped may be also translated as wing footage, since their flipper do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flat, ladies. And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of a run of applause for sea lion friends. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice mind. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color visions. In the wild, many inhabit waters close to shore, plant rocky cliffs with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Wow, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yenny, the smartest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal sweep. Nice and easy. Thank you, Yenny and trainer Albert. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Sandra, 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexy yes. Wow, nice girl. And another one, she deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute! Now, this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what first? The ring. Go ahead and get the ring, sea lion friends. And they got it! How about a round of applause for Yenny and Sandra? Great job, ladies. And another one, they asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Go, Yenny. Okay, let's wait for Yenny. Okay, one more try, Yenny. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Steady it. Fantastic. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends? Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Who would you love to see them dance? Well, hit it, maestro! Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, show them the side by side. Into the water volley. Twist it and turn it. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. And our favorite part, the booty shaking. Shake those booties. And okay, Okay, ready, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera, because this is the best part. Steady it. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady it. Let's go. Yeehaw! A round of applause for Sila and friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. Kiss Sweet. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions, Yenny and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a trash-built environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollutions, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our...
Wala yung tarantula.
Daming laman. Iguana.
Ano ang dito?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Lapit nyo.
Wala.
Oo nga, walang mga laman yung iba.
Tara, yung meron ka.
Andun.
Dito tayo meron ka. May pagong naman din yung
Ay, cute. Hindi. 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 Sugar glider. Yung ano, lumipad nun sa atin. Sugar glider. Matago eh. Tago siya. Ito nagtatago. Ayun eh. Mga takatago eh. Ha?
May ganyan kami sa bahay.
Saan? Lizard.
Palaka o palong. Thank you. Ano ba yung patisok yung mga katawan?
Ah?
Yung mga patisok yung katawan. May hanggang yung patisok yung mga katawan. Ayun na.
Saan? Ano yan? Headshot. Headshot. Atago. Yung mga, hindi, mga matinik yung ano, matinik yung katawan. Headshot. Para silang daga. Yan, dito. Headshot. Headshot.
Headshot.
Ayun, parang mga ano.
Si Sonic. Wala na tayo
Doon, nauna na siguro.
Turtle. Wait lang, umalis ka dyan.
Ayun, nasa ilalim.
Asan yan? Sa ilalim?
Sa ilalim.
Siyempre ka?
Turtle. Turtle.
And to hedgehog.
Ha?
Ayan.
Tago.
Siyang.
Oo. Ano naman yan? Ay! Eh, kinakatakutan ni Mama. Snake.
Snake.
Snake. Laki. Ayan o, laki o. Papatas mo yung
Ayan kayo.
ang laki o.
Yeah, it's not moving na. Sleeping. Sleeping na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Bye-bye! Ayun na. Maandar na. Maandar. Maandar na siya. Maandar. Sasakyan. Nawala na yung kulot.
Butter. Ay, mga maliliit. Ang laki! Ay! Ay! Dito na siya! Papa! Papa! Ito yan o! Ay, ang laki. Wow! Hindi isa sila.
Oy, gusto nila eh. Tigit-tigis na pala yun. Kanya-kanya.
Kalabaw.
Iya, nakto.
Yeah, pinagsasama-sama sila.
Tama na kayo.
Hindi daw pwedeng isa-isa.
Mag-isa ka lang dyan, guys.
Saan kayo pinalipat? Sa dulong?
Hindi, si Kuya na magsasarado yung sarado naman ah. Oh. Iwan mo.
Hindi.
Inan mo, atakin mo. Yan. Tapos, okay lang. Gas po, ma'am. Ay, ulipat yung dalawa sa dulo.
Kaya, maliliit kasi. Sila pwede sa unahan. Andun kasi ang ano. pwersa eh. Baka malaglag.
Hindi, parehas lang yan sa unahan, sa likuran.
Asan si ML?
Amo!
Picture mo sila. ML!
Amo!
O, ate Iyang, tingin.
Amo! Amo!